In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop AutoCAD cursor lagging forever. If your crosshair feels sticky, jumps from point to point, or lags when you hover over objects, you are not alone. The good news is that this usually isn't a hardware failure. It's often a couple of settings that need a quick tune-up. Follow along, and after each change, move your cursor around your drawing so you can immediately feel the difference. First, check for grid snapping. The most common culprit is snap mode, quietly forcing your cursor to lock onto an invisible grid. Press F9 to toggle snap off. You can also glance at the status bar at the bottom if snap is highlighted. It's on. Press F9 to turn it off and free up smooth cursor movement. This alone resolves the issue for many users, especially in large or detailed drawings. Next, turn off dynamic input. Press F12 to disable it. Dynamic input is the little input box that pops up near your cursor showing coordinates and prompts. It's handy, but it can add extra processing every time you move. With it off, you can still type commands and values in the command line. But you remove that extra overhead near the crosshair, which often makes navigation feel noticeably snappier. Now, let's look at graphics settings. Type graphics config in the command line and press enter. In the graphics performance window, make sure hardware acceleration is turned on. This leverages your graphics card to draw the screen more efficiently. If your cursor is still jittery, try toggling hardware acceleration off as a quick test. Some systems or drivers behave better the other way. Apply the change, move your cursor, and pick whichever setting gives you the smoothest result. Finally, reduce hover lag from selection preview effects. In the command line, type selection effect and set it to 0. These values control the highlight and glow that appear when you hover over or select objects. Turning them off removes the extra visual effect that can slow the cursor, especially in dense drawings or on modest hardware, while keeping your selection tools fully functional. With these tweaks, your AutoCAD cursor should feel fast, responsive, and ready for precision work. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.